Hi everyone. In this video we're going to look at the first stage of photosynthesis, the light reactions. The light reactions are the first of the two stages of photosynthesis and will take place in the thylakoids, the discs of membranes that are stacked up inside the chloroplasts. As the name suggests, the light reactions are the part of photosynthesis that require light, making them the photo part, and they also require water. At the end of the process, the cell will have produced ATP and NADPH to use in the subsequent stage, and it will also produce some oxygen as a byproduct. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly recap chloroplast structure. Chloroplasts, like the mitochondria that we looked at in cellular respiration, have two membranes, and inside are filled with a semi-fluid substance called the stroma. This is where the Calvin cycle will take place, which we'll look at in another video. The light reactions will take place in these membrane discs called the thylakoids. The light reactions will start when a photon of sunlight hits photosystem 2, or P680. The energy will be passed through multiple pigment molecules till it reaches the pair of chlorophyll A in the reaction center. The energy will excite electrons, which will be handed off to an electron carrier, oxidizing the photosystem to P680+. The electrons will be passed down an electron transport chain similar to the one used in cellular respiration, with the energy used to pump hydrogen ions into the thylakoid, which will then diffuse out through ATP synthase, producing ATP. The electrons from P680 will be replaced by splitting water, resulting in oxygen and hydrogen ions, and reducing P680+ ready for the next photon. A second photon will be absorbed by photosystem 1, or P700, with the energy again being passed through pigments to the reaction center and being used to excite electrons, oxidizing the photosystem to P700+, and handing the electrons off to NADP+, reducing it to NADPH, an electron carrier similar to NAD+ from cellular respiration. The electrons will finally be replaced with those from the electron transport chain. This process is referred to as linear electron flow, as the electrons flow through the system effectively from water to NADPH, and the electrons, along with the ATP produced, will then provide the energy for the synthesis part of the process, which we'll look at in another video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to check out the video on the Calvin cycle.